So if you're someone who's wondering what are the skills required to become a business analyst, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Sajna Benil. I'm the founder of Business Analysis Hub, the fastest growing community of business analysts here in India. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the top 10 skills a business analyst should possess. But before we dive in, hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive many more videos like this. So before you move into a business analyst role, it becomes very crucial for you to understand what are the skills that you already possess and what are the skills that you need to build so that you can have better clarity of the role. So let us look at what are the top core skills a business analyst should possess in order to be successful in a BA career. Skill number 1, communication skills. Communication skills is a very vital skill for a business analyst. And communication skill consists of various components. It includes verbal communication, non-verbal communication, effective listening skills, and written communication skills. Verbal communication is all about your ability to speak to others and communicate your ideas and assimilate information. So as a business analyst, you will be interacting with many stakeholders, and for you to comprehend that information better and also communicate your ideas, it is very essential that you have good communication skills. Now let's look at the second component, non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication includes all the non-verbal cues, including your hand movements, your facial expressions. These are all non-verbal cues, very, very important when you are hosting a meeting or making a presentation to the customer. Your customer can understand through your facial expressions whether you agree or disagree to what they are discussing. So very, very important for us to have a good body language as well as good facial expressions. Component number 3, active listening skills. Active listening skills is again very crucial for a business analyst because it refers to your ability to listen to your stakeholders and assimilate the information that they are giving you. I have seen several beginner BAs who have good verbal communication skills, but they are very poor listeners. If that's the case with you, you are leaving a lot of valuable information on the table. Yes, guys. So innovative ideas can come from anyone. And as a business analyst, you will not be able to draft a good solution if you are a poor listener, because you're not ready or you do not have the patience to listen to your stakeholders. So be a good listener. Component number 4, written communication. Documentation plays a crucial role in the life of a BA. As a business analyst, you will be documenting BRD, FRD, scope documents, user stories, epics. Your life revolves around a whole bunch of documentation. So your written communication should be very clear and crisp, concise, to the point, which helps your stakeholders to understand what exactly you have written in the document. So this is true not only in the case of business stakeholders, but also your technical team. So as a business analyst, you should have the ability to detail out all the information that's given from your business stakeholders. So that's with respect to communication skills. To summarize, communication skills consists of verbal communication, non-verbal communication, active listening skills, and written communication. The second most important skill a business analyst should have is problem-solving skills. Yes, as a business analyst, we are always solving problems. Our customers approach us with a business problem, and we are supposed to find out the root cause of those problems. We are supposed to dig deeper, ask them questions, probe, and figure out what exactly is the root cause of the problem, and then outline a solution that can solve the problem. So problem-solving skills very, very important in a business analyst role. Skill number 3, analytical thinking skills. As a business analyst, you are constantly analyzing the customer's market, competitors, his need, his requirements. So analytical thinking is so crucial in our role. We also analyze a lot of data to understand the patterns and then suggest a solution that can solve their problem. Analytical skills of a business analyst is also used in many ways, such as market research, competitive analysis, data analysis, financial analysis. Business analysts should be able to understand complex data and make it easy to understand so that the business can make informed decisions based on the data. Skill number 4, interpersonal skills. As a business analyst, if you have good interpersonal skills, you will see that you are able to build positive working relationships with your colleagues as well as your customers. This will help you accomplish more as a team and achieve all your goals. Because our role involves a lot of coordination and collaboration, interpersonal skills becomes very, very vital. Skill number 5, critical thinking skills. They say as a business analyst, you should have good critical thinking skills. Now, critical thinking skills refers to the ability to think in different dimensions to a particular problem or a business need. So a BA with a good critical thinking skill will spend good enough amount of time to understand what might be the probable reasons for a particular failure or the probable causes and different needs of an organization in order to create solutions for the same. Skill number 7, visual thinking skills. As a business analyst, you should have the ability to visualize and create visual representations of your requirements and models. So you should be able to create process models, data models, use case models, screen mockups and prototypes. All of this requires a good amount of visual thinking. So if the requirement that you have written in a textual format can be translated into a diagram, it can be easily understood by the technical team. That's the reason visual thinking is so important in our role. Skill number 8, understanding of the business domain. As a business analyst, if you understand your customer's domain, you are in a better position to recommend solutions to the customer. If you're totally new to that particular domain, you might not be able to provide suggestions to the customer upfront. However, as your experience in a particular domain grows, you are able to understand the terminologies, you are able to understand the industry trends, the market in a better position. So as a beginner BA, if you do not have domain knowledge, if you're coming from an area, if you're transitioning from a role that does not bring in any domain flavor, there is nothing to worry. Several companies absorb candidates in a BA role purely due to their business analysis skills, and they induct you or coach you on the specific domain. So several of our students came from areas which did not have any domain flavor to it. So they did not bring any domain knowledge with them. Like we had students coming from content writing roles. We had students coming from graphic designing kind of roles. So these students did not bring any domain knowledge along with them, but we coached them on business analysis, and they became so thorough with their business analysis skills and knowledge that companies absorbed them purely due to their business analysis skills. And understand, guys, many companies have in-house domain training programs which you can participate in if you do not have domain knowledge. Skill number 9, negotiation skills. As a business analyst, we are constantly negotiating with our customers and with our technical team. So many a times you might have given an estimate to your customer and he is really not comfortable with the estimate that you gave. So you might have to negotiate on the estimate. In such meetings, I usually used to get my tech leader along with me so that we ensure that the negotiation does not go beyond a particular limit. Okay, so negotiation skills very important. Skill number 10, conflict resolution. As a business analyst, we have to deal with conflicts day in and day out. There are several conflicts that happen between stakeholders as well as in between the technical team as well. So if you are working in a large project where you interact with multiple business units from the customer side, you might experience conflicting priorities, conflicting requirements, and a whole lot of conflicts. So a BA should have good conflict resolution skills. And this skill only develops through experience. So in the beginning of your career, you might be having low conflict resolution skills, but need not worry. As you grow up the ladder, you will learn how to handle conflicts. So in our masterclass, we share specific stories about different conflicts that we experience in the project and give students insights about how they can manage conflicts if a similar kind of conflict occurred in their project. So that's with respect to the top 10 skills a BA should possess. So if you're someone who's just moving into a business analyst, don't get overwhelmed by this laundry list of skills that I just told you. In order to kickstart your journey in business analysis, you just need to focus on the first 3 skills, which is communication skills, problem solving skills, and analytical thinking skills. So as a coach, I believe only if you have the right attitude, skills, and knowledge that's required for the role of a business analyst, you can become successful in this role. And we help you build just that. the attitude, skills, and knowledge that's required. So in our Project Implementation Mastermind, we put you in a capstone project and teach you the step-by-step implementation of business analysis. Every step that you perform in this project helps you build a crucial skill that's required in business analysis. So if you would like to know more details of this program, just drop a message on the below WhatsApp number, or you can email us at info@interactivelearning.in and we'll respond back to it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.